Now, 4 months after the surge in the COVID cases, the Kalyan Dombivli civic body has now decided to take new measures to further curb the spread of the infection in the Twin Cities. Now, this includes they will be now following the Dharavi model, which has been hugely successful in containing the situation. So, the civic body in Kalyan Dombivli would now start door-to-door screening and also the antigen test for the asymptomatic people. The new measures will also be implemented in 48 hotspots in the corporation area. Let me go across to my colleague Disha, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Disha, earlier we did highlight the problems there in the Kalyan Dombivli area, the poor medical infrastructure and the problems that have been faced by the people there. Help us understand what are the new measures that the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation would going to be implement to further contain the situation in that area.
Well, if we talk about finally after 4 months, we can see that certain measures are being taken on the ground level, like door-to-door screening is the first step that the KDMC, that's the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, has taken in both the Twin Cities, Kalyan and Dombivli, and specifically in the hotspot area. So here we are in one such hotspot area, which is the VP Road in Dombivli East. And as you can see, the door-to-door survey is being conducted at this point in time. Where everyone, right from children to senior citizens, everyone is being screened. As you can see, their oxygen saturation level is being checked right now. It should be within 95 to 100 range is what the health volunteers are telling us. It should not really go beyond 95, and if it is there, then of course they are being referred for testing. You can also see that how they have these temperature checks as well, which they are being doing. And the temperature, of course, should be below 38. If the temperature is above 38, then of course there is a chance of fever symptoms is what the health volunteers are telling us. So this is something that is being done following the Dharavi model. After 4 months, these measures are being taken on the ground level, specifically in the hotspot areas, to curb the spread of the infection, as this is the city which has already crossed 18,000 positive cases. Every day we are looking at about 400 to 500 new cases. We will here speak to the health volunteer here who has been heading this entire initiative. Thank you so much for speaking to us. आप बताइए, 4 महीने के बाद हम ये जो देख रहे हैं, ये स्टेप्स जो है आप हेल्थ वॉलंटियर्स, कॉपरेटर्स सब मिल के कर रहे हैं, कितने घर अभी तक सर्वे हो चुके हैं और आप लोग ने एंटीजन टेस्टिंग भी शुरू की है?
डेली हम लोगों का अंडर KDMC आई एम वर्किंग एट पाटकर हिल पोस्ट। डेली हम लोग 1500 हाउसेज़ का सर्वे करते हैं। हमारे पास 15 टीम्स वर्किंग है। हर एक टीम को 100 हाउसेज़ दिए जाते हैं। उसमें डोर टू डोर जाके, जैसे आपने अभी देखा है, डोर टू डोर जाके टेम्परेचर एंड पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर लगा के हम लोग पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर एंड ऑक्सीजन लेवल मॉनिटर करते हैं। उसमें जो भी फीवर पेशेंट्स हमको मिलते हैं या फिर जिनका ऑक्सीजन लेवल बिलो 95 है, ऐसे पेशेंट्स मिलते हैं, उन लोगों को हम आइसोलेट करते हैं और उनका एंटीजन टेस्टिंग करवा के लेते हैं।
से आप लोग ने जितने हाउसेस सर्वे किए हैं, कितने ऐसे सिम्टोमेटिक पेशेंट सामने आए हैं?
कल के हमारे सर्वे में से हमको 46 पेशेंट्स मिले थे। 46 पेशेंट का हमने एंटीजन टेस्ट करवा के लिया और उसमें से 15 पेशेंट्स हमको पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स मिला था। वो 15 पेशेंट्स को हमने आइसोलेट करके KDMC का जो कोविड केयर सेंटर है टाटा अमंत्रा, वहाँ पे उनको सेंड किया है फॉर फर्दर ट्रीटमेंट एंड आइसोलेशन।
So these are the measures that the KDMC is taking on the ground level, which will continue for the next 2 weeks, like door-to-door screening of the residential societies where we are, and even slums for that matter, in 48 hotspot areas of Kalyan as well as Dombivli. Apart from this, antigen testing is also being conducted right now. There are about 10,000 kits that the KDMC corporation has already received, and they say that at least 46 tests were done yesterday, out of which 15 were positive. And then they were being sent to isolation centers. So all of these are the measures which are definitely coming in too late, but at this point in time, this is the only way the KDMC feels which can help in curbing the spread of the infection.
All right, Disha, many thanks for joining us and giving us those updates there from on ground, helping us understand the manner in which the KDMC is now looking at ramping up the testing. It was also conducting door-to-door survey in order to further contain the situation in the Twin Cities.